Gas is expensive. Rent's outrageous. Groceries. Let's not even go there. It's 2025 and living is more expensive than ever. Yet somehow, millions of people are surviving not just through their 9-to-5 jobs, but by making extra money in ways most people overlook. Today, we're diving into the top 5 real side hustles that actually work right now. These aren't gimmicks, scams, or vague advice. These are practical, doable, and proven side hustles that real people are using to earn real income. And number 2, it's one you've probably never heard of, but it might be the smartest move you make this year. Let's get into it. Number 5, freelance writing. Writing is one of the most underrated and reliable side hustles. Businesses, blogs, and startups all need written content, constantly. Articles, product descriptions, newsletters, social media captions, and even video scripts, all written by freelancers. Many freelance writers make around $30 an hour, and some even more with experience. The demand is strong and growing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and ProBlogger make it easy to get started. No writing degree required. If you can communicate clearly, follow instructions, and meet deadlines, you're already ahead. Many freelancers begin with small projects and grow fast with good client reviews. You can also use tools like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and Grammarly to polish your work. Over time, you'll write faster, better, and earn more. Start with one client, build your profile, and increase your rates as your skills grow. Number 4, print-on-demand merch. This model is booming. You create a design and a third-party company prints and ships your product when someone buys it. No inventory, no packing, no shipping. Platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Printify let you sell custom shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Without spending up front, don't worry if you're not a designer. Free tools like Canva and Kittl make it easy to create a catching graphics. Think funny quotes, niche interests, or trending phrases. One shop went viral with a plant-themed mug and sold hundreds in a week, all from one simple design. This hustle allows you to earn passively. Just upload your art, promote it, and the system handles the rest. The more designs you post, the higher your chances of consistent sales. Number 3, remote customer support jobs. Remote support is one of the most consistent ways to earn extra money. Many companies are hiring part-time customer service agents for flexible shifts. You don't need a degree, just a reliable internet connection, a quiet space, and basic communication skills. Tasks include responding to customer messages, solving problems, or helping with orders. Many roles offer training and clear instructions to follow. Websites like Indeed, LiveOps, and Working Solutions often list openings. Pay usually ranges from $17 to $23 per hour. This is ideal for those who want stable, hourly income without the pressure of running a business or finding clients. Number 2, this one you've probably never heard of. Affiliate marketing using short videos. Here's how it works. Join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or others. Choose a product, make a short video showing what it does, and post it online. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Creators have earned great results by posting simple product demo videos, even without showing their face. These videos are short, helpful, and often go viral. You can use tools like CapCut or InShot to edit. Keep it fast, clear, and engaging. Many successful videos are 15 seconds or less. Once your content gets views, it can keep earning passively. This is one of the most modern, accessible ways to earn online, especially if you enjoy creating content or reviewing products. Number 1, local service side hustles. This is where people are making serious income with little or no startup cost. Simple services like power washing, junk removal, pet walking, yard work, tech setup, or assembling furniture are always in demand. You can offer your services through TaskRabbit, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or word of mouth. Many people are looking for help and willing to pay for fast, reliable work. One person built a small side income just by assembling furniture on weekends. No special tools. It's just a clear offer, fast response, and friendly service. To grow, offer optional upgrades. If you're mowing a lawn, offer cleanup too. If you're cleaning a driveway, offer to organize the garage. This hustle can grow fast in your local area, especially if you focus on being dependable and doing quality work. And now, most important thing to remember. The biggest reason most people fail at side hustles, it's not lack of time. It's not even money. It's trying to do everything at once. People jump from idea to idea, expecting instant results. But those who succeed, they pick one thing, they focus. They get better, and they don't stop until it works. Choose one hustle from this list. Give it 30 days. Stick to it, don't bounce around. You'll be surprised how far you can go when you stop trying to chase everything. Subscribe to Fast 5 Pulse for weekly videos on the top 5 ways to earn more, save more, and level up your life.